I want to see the website. Like, I want you to take me through it. What are you studying, Harja?
So my branch is actually electronics with AI. So like specialization in AI.
Oh, that's very cool. Did you try to build something before using any vibe coding apps, or was this your first time?
I mean, I have used vibe coding platforms, Cursor, Windsurf, and all that, but not a dedicated platform for like websites.
So, do you want to talk me first about your idea? Like, why did you want to build this?
Yeah. I love playing video games and I also love photography. Those are two of my like biggest hobbies. And I just wanted to build something which was like Duolingo, but for photographers. So something fun, something casual that you can, do with your friends. Yeah. So that was basically the idea. And then I did not have any visuals in mind. I only had like the basic idea in mind. And then what Airo provided on its own was like matched what I wanted very perfectly.
Amazing. Why don't you take me through the site that you built and like let's see what you were able to achieve. I loved it so much. Perfect. Let's talk through it.
Okay, so yeah, I gave it a very bare minimum, very basic prompt that I want a photography website where we get weekly challenges and then people can take part in that along with their friends. They can upvote their favorite images and all that. That was all that I gave it. So yeah, one thing I really liked was that it added a timer immediately and it was like a fully functional timer that would count down till the next challenge. So the first website that it gave me, it was obviously static, like the front page. The buttons did not lead to anywhere. So the second thing I asked it was, okay, that the submit your entry should open your system's gallery, whether it's your phone or your laptop, it should open your system's gallery. And it took like
Mhm.
10 seconds to add that feature and it is functional. Like you'll see your gallery's full content. And then the second feature I wanted was that you should be able to upvote the photos. So for that it needed to like add API endpoints so that the votes are actually registered and everything. And that also it did that in like I would say 1.5 minute.
Mm.
And yeah, the third feature was of course the friends page where you can add friends. This it added on its own during the initial prompt.
Well, that's very sweet. So I would add my friends so they would come and vote for my picture, right?
Yeah, they could come and vote for a picture and you can how you do in Duolingo, you can have streaks with your friends.
That's very, very cool. I also like that these are not static, the images, when
Yeah.
you hover over them.
When you give the first initial prompt, it has that whole thinking process and you could see it like kind of talking to itself, things do I need to do? And it may creates a list of everything that I need to do in this website. And yeah, it was like going through what aesthetic do I want to follow.
Mm.
In the answer, it said something like, okay, I think I'll go for like a dark themed aesthetic so that the photos pop out. I was like, it was crazy to think that it had that thinking process on its own.
And how many prompts did you have to like enter to get this site?
At this stage, I mean, you can obviously expand on it more, but what we're seeing right now, that took like, I think, 3 or 4 prompts at max. Yeah.
Amazing. And like, how much time was it for you?
Like within less than 30 minutes. Like the actual building itself was very quick. It was just the thinking process that would take time. Yeah. So within 30 minutes, I got this.
This is amazing. Did you get to explore any of the other like features within Aero Builder? There's like a database, a secrets, and
Yeah. So yeah, because I code myself, I was curious to see what the code actually looks like, and then yeah, you can basically access the entire code. You can make changes in it according to yourself. So it gives
Mhm.
you like a good head start, and then you can obviously customize however much you want. And then another thing that I liked was that it gives you prompt suggestions also. So after I was done with all this, it said, okay, do you want to add authentication and sign up login next? So it created like it was prompting to create a database and then fully configure the authorization.
Thank you so much. I mean, I like your website. I would use it if you start having any competitions.
Yeah, I'm actually considering like making it whole with the help of Aero and then maybe even releasing it.